Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imrana Sarwar and welcome to the second episode of the topic average. Let's discuss this topic. We have covered few basic concepts of average in our previous episode. In this episode, we will discuss it in a slightly different manner. Okay, हमारे पास जो first question है, let's discuss this. Ramiz bought a dozen pencils for rupees 2.65 each. एक पेंसिल की जो कॉस्ट है वो है रुपीज़ 2.65. Okay, and he bought another half a dozen for rupees 2.8 each. और जो another half a dozen that he bought, उसमें एक पेंसिल की कीमत है 2.8. So how much did he pay for each of the pencils on an average? अगर हम इन दोनों स्टैक्स को प्लस कर दें, ऐड कर दें, तो इन दोनों को मिलाने के बाद रमीज़ कितना अमाउंट पे करेगा फॉर ईच पेंसिल. ओके, सो ऑन एन एवरेज हमें चेक करना है कि फॉर ईच पेंसिल हाउ मच डिड ही पे. ओके, एज वी नो 1 dozen is equals to 12, so 12 pencils in first set and 6 pencils, half of the dozen is equals to 6 pencils in second stack. Okay, let's start the solution. Cost of the first set of 1 dozen pencils will be equal to 12 multiplied by 2.65, and it's going to be 31.8. Cost of the second set of half a dozen pencils is going to be 6 multiplied by 2.8 and 16.8. Okay, the total cost of all the pencils. अब जो first stack की जो total cost है pencil की और जो second stack की total cost है उसको हम plus कर देंगे, add कर देंगे, then we will find the total cost of all the pencils, which will be 48.6. Take the highlighter. Okay, the total cost of all the pencils is now 48.6, and the total number of pencils for both the sets are going to be 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is going to be 18, and according to the average formula, total cost of all the pencils divided by total number of pencils is equals to 48.6 divided by 18. There you go, 2.7. So Ramiz is going to pay 2.7 rupees 2.7 for each pencil, right? Let's look at another question. The average mass of 25 parcels is 20 kg. The average mass of 24 of the parcels is 19 kgs. What is the mass of the 25th parcel? एवरेज का फॉर्मूला हमारे पास है सम ऑफ द वैल्यूज डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज. हम इसी डाटा को यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं कि टोटल मास ऑफ द 25 पार्सल्स इज गोइंग टू बी 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 kgs. ओके, द टोटल मास इज गोइंग टू बी 500 kgs, and then the total mass of 24 parcels, the average mass of 24 of the parcels is 19 kgs. For 24 parcels is going to be 24 multiplied by 19. Okay. And it's going to be 456 kgs for 24 parcels. So 25 parcels की 500 kgs, 24 parcels की 456 kgs, and we have to find out the mass of the 25th parcel. So the mass of the 25th parcel is going to be simple deduction from 456 kgs from 500 kgs. 500 minus 456 is equals to 444 kgs. So 25th parcel का जो mass है वो होगा 44 kgs. Right? Let's look at the next question. Peter scored an average of 75 marks for his first 2 monthly maths test. Average का हमारे पास formula हम लिख लेते हैं यहीं पर. After the third monthly test, 2 monthly tests, 75 marks. Third monthly test, you know, 1 monthly test is included in the 2 monthly tests. Then his average score for the 3 tests became 81. Okay, now this average is for the 3 tests. How many marks did he score in the third math tests? Okay, total marks for 2 monthly tests is going to be 75 multiplied by 2, and the total marks for 2 monthly tests is going to be 150. After the third monthly test, the average is going to be 3 multiplied by 81, because the average became 81 for 3 tests. It's going to be 243. 3 multiplied by 81 is going to be 243. And the marks for the third math test is going to be 243 minus 150. 243 is the max, is the total marks for 3 tests, and 150 is the total marks for 2 tests. And if we deduct 150 from 243, then we will get 93 marks. 93 marks that he got in his third maths test. Good. Now the next question. The average height of 3 boys and 2 girls is 1.65 m. 3 boys and 2 girls are going to be 5 children. The height of another girl is going to be 1.35 m. Okay, another girl, they have added another girl, and her height exclusively is 1.35 m. So what is the average height of 3 boys and 3 girls? The question is, the average height for 3 boys and 3 girls means 6 children. Let's look at the solution. Average of 5 children is going to be, average height is going to be 1.65 m, as we all know. So we will find the total height of 5 children. 1.65 multiplied by 5 is going to be 8.25. The height of another girl is 1.35 m. So the total height of 6 children is going to be the height of 5 children plus the height of the girl, 9.6. Now the average height of 6 children we don't know. Simple, we will use the formula, and according to this, the average height of 6 children is going to be 9.6 divided by 6. 6 are the number of children, and 9.6 is the average height for 6 children. Is the total height of 6 children. So the average height is going to be 1.6. So this was the end of our part 2 average topic. I hope you could understand the different ways of using the same formula to solve our problems. Keep practicing and keep learning. Maths is very easy subject, and for which you need to keep practicing. Thank you once again, and tell me if you have any questions. Okay ji, bye.